Okay, fifth graders, as promised, here is part 2 of the second lesson we're doing, chapter 1, section 2. And I'll upload this one here in a few minutes after I'm done recording it and converting it to an MP4 file. Anyways, I've got to turn my music down before it gets too loud. There we go. Okay. So on the second page here, they do give another example, and I can't remember if I recorded this part here that I was explaining. I don't remember if that was part of the recording or not. But in the example, in the other example they give us here, it says when two digits are next to each other in a number, the digit on the left is 10 times the value of the digit to its right. And when two digits are next to each other are the same digit, the one on the right is 1/10 the value to the one on its left. And then they give another little visual, all those fives right there. This 5 right here is 10 times the value of this 5. And as long as they're next to each other. If they're not, if there's one separating them, then it's 100 times its value, or 1,000 times if it's 3 places. So let's look at number 1 here. Number 1, it says, do you understand? And the number 9,290 is the value of the first 9, 10 times as great as the value of the second. No, the answer is no. And it's because they are not next to each other. So for example, if the number was 9,999, the value of this 9 would be 10 times greater than the value of the green 9. The value of the red 9 would be 10 times greater. And another example would be the value of this 9 right here would also be 10 times greater than the value of the green 9. And the flip side is also true. If we were to look at these two 9s, the 2 in the center, the value of this 9, the green 9, is 1/10 the value of the red 9 that I've circled. And keep in mind, this would be the ones place, the tens place, the hundreds place, the thousands place. And we did talk about place value in the other lesson. So anyways, back to this, number 2, write 4,050 in expanded form. So when you write something in expanded form, it's kind of nice if they put it in parentheses, and you really should. So it's going to be 4, okay, because I'm starting with the 4 here. It's going to be 4 times, I could do 4 times 1,000, or I could write 4 times 10 to the third. Either one would work. Plus, well, that 0 right here, that 0 has no value. The 5 has a value. What is the value of that 5? Okay, it's 50, so it's going to be 5 times 10. And then the last 0 has no value. So that's that number written in expanded form. 4 times 10 to the third times 5 times 10. Or you could put 10 to the first. Doesn't matter. Same thing. Same thing. All right, number 3 here I'm looking at, the 7s in 7,700. Oh, it says write the values of the given digits. Well, so the values of the given digits, it's going to be 7,000 plus 700. I think that's what they're looking for. That's the answer I'm putting down. And then value of the given digits, the 2s, so it's going to be 20 plus 2. All right. All right, let's move down a little bit further here. I'm giving you guys a lot of these answers here. Some of these I'm going to let you fend on your own. It says, write each number in standard form. So remember standard form? Standard form is just the number. And we talked about that today. In expanded form is, well, this is an example of expanded form. All right. I don't remember if I talked about that part or not, but anyway, so standard form, number 5, I'll do that one for you. So it's going to be 8 million. There isn't anything in the hundred thousands, 10,000s, or thousands, so it's going to be 0, 0, 0, comma, and then it's going to be simply 309. So that's that in standard form. Now, number 6 here, it's going to be 4 times 10 to the 4th. Well, what's 10 to the 4th? Okay, 10 to the 4th